1, 2, 3, go.
Welcome everyone. It's Tatau Manaia, currently here at Ellerslie at the Tatau Hotel. We're here doing workshops with Youth Horizon. Such an experience. And
yeah, so at 9:30 will be our first session. I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, we're just outside here waiting to set up soon. But we'll fill you guys in later, yeah?
Amen.
People smiling, the colour, just the presentation was really good. Seeing the youth there was really encouraging for me. Seeing that our culture does have relevance in working with our youth, and just seeing the staff members getting involved and interacting with the activities that were here. I just thought it was excellent. You could see just in the people that were here, you could see the diverse workers that we have working with our young Pacifica. The majority are, Palangi, Indian, there's Chinese, there's from all nationalities, so it's actually good for them to get a good perception of what it's like to work, where these young people come from and what their background is and
awesome.
Culture.
I really loved it, really engaging, really interactive. Love the combination of using our young people in it as well, especially our young men. Definitely good in terms of the switch or the mind shift, so letting our younger ones teach us older ones to change that dynamic. And yeah, overall really loved it.
Really fun. My group was lucky to do it the last workshop of the day, and it was really uplifting and energising. we felt really comfortable. I learned a lot and I had a lot of fun. It was really energising and full of lots of energy.
Awesome.